that TV off right now. I'm trying to sleep here.
Oh, well, excuse me for trying to watch America's Next Top Monster.
While you're at it, your part of the room is a mess. What's all this racket about? Claude, put some clothes on.
Yeah, totally. Oops. What was that all about?
I don't know, but we better stop fighting. We don't want Claude coming back in with no clothes on again. Good night. Oh, Claudine, we're late for school. I'm not going to school today. I got 0 sleep last night because a certain someone didn't turn the TV off.
Oh, well, sorry. Ugh, Mr. Hack, sorry I'm late.
Howleen, thank your lucky stars Mr. Hack isn't here today. He'll give you triple detention. I know. Me and Claudine slept in late. And where is Claudine, by the way? She said she wasn't coming. Alright, Howleen, just copy those notes off the board, and then we can go. Alright, thanks. Hey, Howleen, where's Claudine today? Oh, she slept in, and she said she wasn't coming because she didn't get any sleep. Oh, what a shame. I would have loved to design an outfit with her today. Rochelle, don't be so down. Maybe you can design an outfit with Claudine tomorrow. Yeah, about that. Rebecca was going to show me some new tricks with the rocket boots. Sorry, Night. Hey, Rochelle. I'll tell Claudine that you changed the arrangements, alright? Alright. Captain Penny, to the rescue! Captain Penny, you're supposed to be upstairs setting up for the dance. Sorry, Rebecca. I just wanted to try out my new rockets. Oh dear, what a day. Good night, Claudine.